Okay, everybody, I have speakers from the '08 Silverado. This is my way of doing it. It's fastest. So in order to get your old speaker off, we're gonna put aftermarket on. Let's cut the top. Break all these edges, holding on to the speaker. You're not gonna use it again. This is to save you probably $100 on aftermarket kits, speaker mounts. Cut all these edges and just pull the magnet out. Pull off this styrofoam. Once you get that off, just pull these clips, just take them, bend them down flush. They snap right off easy. Say this saves you money and time. Anything aftermarket gets expensive. Okay, in order to mount your speaker, you're gonna take your clips. See, you have this lip all the way around. Just cut it in sections. You know, snap off real small. Smaller, the closer you get, the better the flush will be, I guess. All the way around. See how close I go, and it's kind of like teeth breaking off. Do it like this. You won't really need to go buy a wire wheel grinder. Or a file. It just cuts it pretty flush. Just start pulling them back. Can be sharp, but see how easy that comes off. A few stragglers, just take them. Clean up the edges if you have to. See, it looks pretty good all the way around. It's fast. It won't take that much time because installing the stereos where the time's going to be all the wiring. Now that you got that, this is what I already had done. See how flush it looks. Just take your mount and throw it in there. It sets flush. And just put your screws in and you're good to go.